Hello learners! Welcome sa aking Tagalog Mathematics video tutorials. So ang i-discuss natin ngayon ay operations on functions. Ituturo ko kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng functions. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang i-upload na video tutorials. I-share rin natin ang video na to para makatulong tayo sa lahat ng grade 11 students. Paano nga ba kukunin ang sum of functions? So sinasabi dito na if f and g are functions, their sum is the function defined as f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ang f at g ay functions at kukunin natin ang kanyang sum, ay i-add lamang natin ang value ng f of x at g of x. Kaya siya f of x plus g of x. Paano ito nakuha? Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng pag-distribute o pag-multiply ng x sa ating f plus g. So, x times f equals f of x plus x times g is equal to g of x. Kaya natin nakuha ang f of x plus g of x. So, let's have example. Example number 1, let f of x equals 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 7x minus 4. Find f plus g of x. So for the solution, syempre isulat natin ang definition or ang formula ng sum of functions natin, which is f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ibig sabihin nito ay i-add natin yung value ng ating f of x at g of x. So, kopyahin natin ulit yung f plus g of x equals, so palitan na natin yung f of x ng kanyang value, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. So, we have now 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 plus yung value naman ng ating g of x ay x squared plus 7x minus 4. So, we have here x squared plus 7x minus 4. Ngayon, i-add na natin. Pag mag-add tayo ng algebraic expressions ay i-add lang natin yung similar terms. Pag sinabing similar, pareho ang variable at pareho ang exponent. So dito mapapansin ninyo na ang similar terms ay 2x squared at yung x squared. So let's add 2x squared plus x squared is equal to 3x squared. Then we have negative 5x is similar to positive 7x. So let's add negative 5x plus positive 7x is equal to positive 2x. Then we have the constant term negative 3 and negative 4. Negative 3 plus negative 4 ay negative 7. So the sum of the function f and g is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 7. Let's have another example. Example number 2. If f of x equals 5x squared minus 11x minus 17 and g of x equals x cubed minus x squared plus 9x minus 6, find f plus g of x. So, syempre, sa solution, ilagay natin ang definition or formula ng sum of functions, which is f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Next is, palitan na natin yung f of x at g of x ng kanilang value. So, syempre, copyin ulit natin yung f plus g of x equals, palitan na natin yung f of x ng kanyang value which is 5x squared minus 11x minus 17. Plus g of x. So, palitan natin yung g of x ng kanyang value which is x cubed minus x squared plus 9x minus 6. Now, let's add. So, syempre, i-add lang natin yung similar terms. Pag sinabing similar, pareho ang variable at exponent. So, kopyahin ulit natin yung f plus g of x equals. Unahin natin ang highest exponent. So, we have x cubed. So, mapapansin ninyo, walang x cubed dito sa kabila. So, wala siyang ka-similar term. So, we just copy x cubed. Next is the x square. So, as you can see, dalawa ang ating x square. So, let's add 5x square plus negative x square. The answer is positive 4x square. Next, we have negative 11x is similar to positive 9x. So, let's add negative 11x plus positive 9x equals negative 2x. And for the last term, we have the constant term, negative 17 at negative 6. So, i-add natin negative 17 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 23. So, f plus g of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 23. Now, let's have the last example for the sum of functions. Example number 3. If f of x is equal to x plus 1 over 2 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 3 over 4, find f plus g of x. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang ating functions ay rational or fraction. So, to solve this, first is to write the definition or the formula. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, tulad ng ginawa natin sa example 1 and 2, ay palitan natin yung f of x at g of x sa given values nito. So, just copy f plus g of x equals, so yung f of x ay palitan na natin ng kanyang value which is x plus 1 over 2 plus yung g of x naman natin ay 2x minus 3 over 4. So, to add rational expressions or fraction, first is let's find the LCD. So, hanapin natin yung LCD ng 2 at 4. So, yung LCD ng 2 at 4 ay 4. So, pag meron na tayong LCD, ay yung LCD i-divide natin dun sa denominator, then i-times natin yung sagot sa numerator. So, LCD which is 4, 4 divided by yung denominator nating 2 is equal to 2. Then, yung 2 i-times natin sa numerator. So, 2 times yung ating numerator which is x plus 1. Plus, again, let's repeat the process. LCD divided by the denominator which is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Then, yung 1 i-times natin sa numerator. So 1 times 2x minus 3 is still 2x minus 3. Simplifying this, kailangan nating i-multiply yung 2 sa x plus 1. So 2 times x is equal to 2x. 2 times positive 1 is equal to positive 2. Plus, kopyahin natin yung 2x minus 3 kasi wala naman tayong gagawin sa kanya. All over our LCD, which is 4. To simplify it further, let's combine similar terms dito sa ating numerator. So we have similar terms, 2x and 2x. So 2x plus 2x equals 4x. Then we have constant term, 2 and negative 3. So 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1 over our LCD, which is 4. So the sum of f and g of x is equal to 4x minus 1 over 4. So sa difference of functions naman tayo. So paano nga ba kukunin ang difference of functions? So if f and g are functions, their difference is the function defined as f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So tulad kanina sa sum of functions, kapag ang f at g ay functions at kukunin natin ang kanilang difference ay isubtract lang natin ang value ng f of x at g of x. Kaya siya f of x minus g of x. So paano ito nakuha? Ay sa pamamagitan ng pag-distribute o pag-multiply ng x sa f minus g. So x times f is equal to f of x minus x times g is equal to g of x. So nakuha natin f of x minus g of x. So let's have example. Example number 1. Let f of x equals 6x squared minus 7x plus 8. G of x is equal to 4x squared plus 5 and h of x is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 9. Find f minus g of x and h minus f of x. So, dalawa yung ating hahanapin. So, let's have first f minus g of x. So, syempre, ilalagay natin yung ating formula, which is f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Again, kopyahin natin yung f minus g of x. Ngayon, palitan na natin yung f of x ng kanyang value. Ang value ng f of x natin ay 6x squared minus 7x plus 8. Minus yung ating g of x. Ang value ay 4x squared plus 5. 4x squared plus 5. Ngayon, ang rule pag nag-subtract tayo ay change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ito ang ating subtrahend. Then, proceed to addition. Meaning, yung minus sign ay magiging plus sign. So, yung minus dito ay ginawa ko ng plus. And then, i-change natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So, positive 4x squared naging negative 4x squared. Positive 5 ay naging negative 5. I repeat, yung rule natin is change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. And then I just copied the minwen, which is 6x squared minus 7x plus 8. Ngayon, i-add na natin Siyempre, i-add lang natin ang mga similar terms. Pag sinabing similar terms, pareho ang variable at exponent. So, as you can see, pareho ang variable at exponent ng 6x squared at negative 4x squared. So, let's add 6x squared plus negative 4x squared is equal to positive 2x squared. Then we have negative 7x. So, as you can see, walang x dito sa kabila. So, just copy negative 7x. And the last, we have the constant term, which is positive 8 and negative 5. So, positive 8 plus negative 5 is equal to positive 3. So, yung difference ng f and g natin ay 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. So, let's have naman yung h minus f of x. So, yung ating formula ay h minus f of x is equal to h of x minus f of x. So, again, copy h minus f of x. And palitan na natin yung h of x ng kanyang value, which is 3x squared minus 5x plus 9. Minus yung ating f of x, ang kanyang value ay 6x squared minus 7x plus 8. Again, pag nag-subtract tayo ay change the sign of the subtrahend. Ito ang ating subtrahend. And then, proceed to addition. So, yung minus magiging plus. Then, palitan natin yung sign ng ating subtrahend. 6x squared became negative x squared. Yung negative 7x naging positive 7x. Yung positive 8 ay naging negative 8. Siyempre, kopyahin lang natin yung ating minwen, which is 3x squared minus 5x plus 9. Ngayon, let's add. Add lang natin ng similar terms. 3x squared is similar to negative 6x squared. So, i-add natin 3x squared plus negative 6x squared is equal to negative 3x squared. Next is negative 5x plus positive 7x equals positive 2x. And the last constant term, which is positive 9 and negative 8. So, positive 9 plus negative 8 is positive 1. So, yung difference ng h at f of x natin ay negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Let's have the last example for the difference of functions. So, example number 2. If f of x is equal to x minus 3 over x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x plus 1 over x plus 4, find f minus g of x. So, mapapansin ninyo, ang ating given ay rational or fraction. So, for the solution, syempre, isulat natin o ilagay natin ang definition or formula ng difference of functions. So, we have f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, kopyahin natin ulit yung f minus g of x equals, palitan na natin yung f of x ng kanyang value, which is x minus 3 over x plus 4 minus yung g of x naman natin is x plus 1 over x plus 4. So, to solve or to subtract rational or fractions, ay kukunin natin muna ang LCD. So, mapapansin naman ninyo na ang ating denominator ay pareho. So, ibig sabihin, ito na ang ating LCD, which is x plus 4. So, yung LCD, i-divide natin dun sa denominator. At yung sagot, imumultiply natin sa numerator. So, LCD, which is x plus 4 divided by the denominator x plus 4 is equal to 1. And 1 times yung numerator natin, which is x minus 3, is still x minus 3. Kasi any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Minus, ulitin natin yung process, LCD divided by denominator. So, x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 1. And 1 times yung numerator natin, which is x plus 1, is x plus 1. So, pag nag-minus tayo ay laging change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, yung minus ay magiging plus. And then, change natin ito, yung sign ng ating subtrahend. Positive x ay magiging negative x. Positive 1 ay maging negative 1. So, simplifying it further, let's add similar terms. So, pareho yung x at negative x. So, x plus negative x is 0. So, we don't need to write 0 anymore kasi meron pa tayong i-add. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 4 over our LCD, which is x plus 4. So, f minus g of x is equal to negative 4 over x plus 4.